Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we will learn how to find out row differences in Microsoft Excel. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to learn this skill quickly. In this example, I have two column 1 and column 2, and each row from the number 4 to number 11, they have the names. So some of the rows have the same name, like Alex on this cell, Alex on this cell, Homie on this cell, Homie on this cell, Josh on this cell, Josh on this cell. But some of the rows has the different name, like this one is different Simon, this one is Raya, and Steve and Fish, they are different. So if I have like thousand of rows and want to quickly find out the which row has a different name. So what I will do, I will select the data and then I will press Control G. A window will pop up and then I will go to Special tab here on the bottom left. Click on Special one and you can see the row differences. Click on this option, press OK. Now you can see it has highlighted the rows which has a different name where the cells have a different name. For example, here Simon and Raya, they are two different names. Steve and Fish, two different names. So if I want to quickly highlight those rows and want to change the color, so I will just go to the this color option and click yellow, so it will highlight those cells and I can quickly filter out those rows which has the different names by just press Control Shift L to apply filter and then highlight the cells or the rows with the different color, so which is the yellow color. So remove the filter again. So this is how you can quickly find out the row differences. Hit the like button if you like this video.